Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to Amabenzo TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Alana Paris 3, Amazulu 0. I'm joined by the 3 Zweli.
Zweli 1, Zweli 2, Zweli 3. 3 points, 3 goals. Yonke into pelele. Uyabona Sithibo makuthiwa you have reached your destination. You have reached your destination.
Yes.
Today mokumele score more goals.
Yes.
But the destination was reached by 3 goals.
Yes.
Mangikhuluma nge-destination reached. Sengicabanga i-Kaizer Chiefs. I-Kaizer Chiefs la ekhona right now, they've reached their destination.
Number 3.
Ngizwile bathi baya ku number 2 baya kuphi bayothatha i-league. They have reached their destination. Uyamazi lo sisi lo masekathi you've reached your destination. Noma ungaphambili noma ungayemuva isazokubuyisela to your destination. Right now they've reached their destination. Bangawina, bangathrowa, they have reached their destination. But they are stuck to number 3. And lo number 3 lo mangathajika uyamkhumbula sise-FNB ngokwinumber yakaKhila sibashaye ngayo lo 3 loyo. And manje uphethe abozweli abayi-3, Zweli 2 abatshela.
Steve, do you know the words forever losing? That's why the words forever losing. You're gonna know it next week. I just mean it's forever losing.
Yeah.
You're gonna know it. You're gonna know about the words next week. Forever losing.
Yeah.
Steve. As in, Steve, ukhila nyamzwelo yazi. Amara second abakakhila. Umzulu uthi Kabelo. Utheni thina sifuna kuya ku World Cup siphelele. Siphelele siya ku World Cup. Steve uyazi uKabelo ne Kabelo azange waba ne depression. That's what you gonna have next week, baba.
After the time.
After the time.
Sure. Zweli 3.
Zweli 3. No, there are other additional teams that I cannot speak about. You see, when you are excited and reading a book, and you think you are going to make money, reality will kick in, brother. Kaizer Chiefs just bought a book.
Oh no!
How to make money.
No, it's in the kayak interview. No, it's in the kayak.